Okay, so here's my 03 Duramax. She's been sitting up all winter, and the other day I come out here and got to looking, and lo and behold, it's got a fuel leak under here. So that's going to be the first thing we're going to do. Now that the weather's starting to break, now I can actually get it somewhere where I can work on it. Windy here today, so the microphone probably don't sound too good, but it is what it is. When you live in Northwest Chicago, you gotta do what you gotta do. So some other goodies showed up for it. So now that the weather's broke, we're about to break or get better. A few things come in. We're going to take the bed off, replace put new patch panels, new inner fender wells in it. Some new tail lights came in. They're stock, but we're going to put LEDs in it, and we're going to smoke them so they'll look a whole lot better. And over here, new fuel lines from the fuel tank to the engine bay. So that's going to be one of the first things we're going to take care of now that we're able to get it, because that big old thing will not fit in this garage. Not next, I have to be able to work on it. So it just don't fit. All right, well, next video we'll see how it goes. Hopefully be putting on some fuel lines. Thanks for watching.